Hi and welcome back, guys. I'm finally back. I was the last 2 days a little bit sick, so that's why my apologies to you guys that I could not make a video because I really felt sick the last 2 days. But now there are some really important developments and actually dangerous developments on the Bitcoin chart that I definitely want to talk here about. And without any further ado, we jump here directly into the chart because we have missed here so much in the last couple of days. So you can see here that the Bitcoin price is still here in this bigger falling wedge, bouncing up and down in between and still respecting the downwards trending resistance line here. But the problem here is that it looks like that we might actually get here one last touch to the downside, so that we actually might get even lower. Especially if we break the $41,388 level, $40,996 level. So if we break it this line, then expect a big leg to the downside, and I think that could then be the bottom of the falling wedge all the way down to $37,800, $38,000 approximately. And from there, we should then finally get a major bounce back to the upside and a convincing breakout out of this falling wedge pattern. But for now, we are still in a bearish structure. We are still creating lower highs here and also lower lows when we are looking here along these lines, so which is typical in a falling wedge. But it also confirms that we are for now still in a downtrend. But I also want to show you something here that's really interesting on stochastic RSI. But first, don't forget, if you like these updates, subscribe to the channel and also activate the notification bell. And here on the stochastic RSI, what we can see here is, the RSI. So that the RSI is right now at 35% approximately. So what does that tell us? The price is going lower and lower. The RSI is going lower and lower. So now let me tell you this. When the RSI is going down and is under around 50%, sorry guys, still my sickness. So if the RSI is under 50%, this is considered to be oversold conditions when the price drops under 40%. So right now we are at 35% at the RSI. And what that tells us as sophisticated traders is that when we are getting in these oversold conditions, that at some point must be a massive reversal back to the upside. So the only question is, from where will we get this reversal? So like I said here, I made already my case. I believe we could potentially see that we go all the way to the bottom of the falling wedge here at 38K, and from there get finally our reversal back to the upside, and then we will see at least a couple of months of prosperity here in the crypto market overall. So now also let's have a look here on the 4-hourly chart, and here you can actually see that quite beautifully, that our support zone here from approximately 41 all the way down to 39.5 is still holding as support. But we also know the more and more we test a support level, the more likely it gets that we actually break it to the downside. So here you can actually see we got immediately bought up the last time when we dropped into the support box. I expect at the first attempt of here a breakdown, something similar, that we will actually maybe potentially not get lower than this point here. So that would be good on the 4-hourly time frame if we just create a lower high, higher than this one here. Let's say approximate at 40K. So that would be nice, and from there get a bounce again. But then I think eventually we will get here another move to the downside and break this, if we are not getting really soon a strong bounce all the way at least above 47K. So you can also here see on the 4-hourly chart, if I draw here a line, here it also looks like we are getting here a not really beautiful, but also a more or less falling wedge. So just let me make this in another color. You can see this better. So here we have to wait and see what's going to happen. So right now I'm not entering any trades. I have money on the side to jump directly in if I see something. But yeah, so I'm just waiting right now for this massive bounce that I expect around the 38k level. So it could be that it actually is a really quick wick down all the way here, and then we're already getting this bounce back to the upside. And I can tell you, down here I will open a massive long position once we are breaking under this support box, because I think that will be just a massive fake out and that we bounce directly back to the upside. So also when we are looking here again on the EMA ribbon, so we are still here clearly also on the 4-hourly in a downtrend. We have retested the EMA ribbon here and confirmed this as resistance. So, and now, yeah, we will definitely go here more sideways down in this kind of direction. So especially when the EMA ribbon is also pointing to the downside, that means there's more downwards pressure for the time being. So, and long term, I'm not really concerned. It's just the short term time frames that we have to be patient with until we see here the massive reversal that will definitely happen. So now let's also have a look here in Ethereum. There we kind of see the same picture. So also here we can draw here a line from there, and then also more or less a line like here. So, and then here you see also we are just about to break this falling wedge to the downside, which is obviously bad. So, and would invalidate this falling wedge. So, and yeah, we might retest here the $3,000 level once again. So, but I can tell you, every time we get close to $3,000, I buy more and more Ethereum, because who knows when we gonna see the next, so if we actually see the Ethereum price ever go to these prices again in the future. So I try to buy as much as I can in between the $2,900 and $3,100 level, because also here I believe we will soon see a really yeah, powerful move back to higher levels here, especially with the stochastic RSI here also flatlining on the bottom in highly oversold conditions. So also here a massive reversal is already in the works here for Ethereum, and I think this will go alongside with Bitcoin. So, and if you are really a sophisticated trader and risk adverse, then you can still go and sign up on BYBIT or on Phemex and get a sign up bonus of $4,100 and $5,100 across both platforms with the link in the pinned comment below. And you can also buy KASTA and VPAD on BYBIT with my link. So then the Bitcoin dominance is getting here a massive reversal already back to the upside, so which is obviously bad for all the altcoins out there, because they are suffering right now a lot, since we went here all the way to 39.24%, and it looks like that we are forming now here a W. So if this W is playing out, then this could bring the Bitcoin dominance back to, let's see, yeah, to 42%. So which is not too bad, you know. So I hope that here, so here you can see that is actually a huge level. There's a lot of confluence. So from here, there, here, and also when we broke it here and retested it multiple times. So I believe that from here we get then again a rejection and go back down to the downside. So yeah, that is also something that I'm looking into right now. So, but if this W is playing out, then be prepared that we might go here to 41.9 to test this level one more time. So, but like I said, I believe this will be a huge resistance and the dominance will not break this, and we will see then here a move back to the downside. Guys, that's it already for today. From now on, you will get your daily dose of updates again from me. I'm feeling much better. So, and for this, please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I will see you tomorrow.